the flour apart, mix it. Okay, so a little bit of muscle. It might take a little bit of your strength, but don't lose hope. Mix and mix and mix and mix. That's the good. Still makes me feel like home, you know. Hey. So my people, that's the easy way to be vegan. So for me, I grew up like this. I used to eat ugali and beans like this. So I can say I grew up as a vegan. Yes. So my people, we went shopping and we bought some nice food. So welcome to Edu's Chef. I'm gonna make some beans. Yes, just like that. A little bit of water to soften it. And my ugali water is boiling here. And please don't forget, like my friend Brian forgot to have this cooking spoon. So I saw him cooking with with a spoon. So you need to have this. I don't know where to get these in Finland, but you can have something like this. It still works. Oh, that's coming out so nicely. Little spice, spice it a little bit. Of course, some little curry powder from home, some Simba curry powder. Yes, a little bit of that, and a little bit of water there so it doesn't become too. That's my unga, and a little bit of salt. Yes, not too much salt. So it helps you, it doesn't kill your joints. Oh, it's already looking so good. So you reduce the fire, you cook it with a slow heat, and add a little bit of water. Yes. And now to our ugali session. So you let the water boil, and then of course some flour, just the normal maize flour. Okay, you make sure the water is hot and boiling, and you just put enough to, yes, perfect, like that. And for me, I usually pray for the food when it's in the kitchen, because when it's directly on the table, it's ready to eat. Okay, because sometimes you are hungry, very hungry. So that you are not having all the flour apart, mix it. Okay, so a little bit of muscle. It might take a little bit of your strength, but don't lose hope. Mix and mix and mix and mix. That's the good important part of this is to mix. So the unga that I bought was actually a good one. Not because there's like grade 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So mine right now is grade 3. That's at least the most you can get here. From Kenya, my friend, you can get even grade 5, grade 1. What do I mean by grade? It's like how they are sieved. Like as you can see, this one soft, but the one from home, the previous one that I had was had a little bit of I don't know how to call it, but the maize, like the maize has layers, okay, so, or covers. So these ones have been removed, different covers from the maize. And then there's the one that is, for me, I think is the worst, but it's the best if all of them are combined. They say it's the most nutritious, so the inner part, it's more like glucose, very, very, very soft. So with your ugali, just make sure you keep, you know, turning and turning. That's the secret. There is nothing more. Just like that. And then give it some time to cook until you hear that, not to hear, you smell that smell. There is that cooking smell. Oh, cannot wait. And my side dish is there, getting ready. And this is my extra flour. We put it there. And of course, protein. Then you prepare your plate where you're gonna put your ugali. And now you can yes, put it in a round shape like that, and then cover it. No. Oh, I don't know if you can smell that, but now, ooh, our ugali is ready. Come and see our ugali. Our ugali is ready. Look at that. This is how ugali looks like at the end. You see how it's smoking? Yeah. This is so energetic, my friend. If you eat this, little bit of beans, ask me. This is the best thing ever. Yes, that's ugali. And this is my side dish for today. As I said, ugali, you can eat it with anything. So my side dish for today with my ugali, it's a little bit of protein here. Not meat, but vegetables. Or let me say today I'm going vegan. I am doing vegan. It's the easy way to be vegan. So for me, I grew up like this. I used to eat ugali and beans like this. So I can say I grew up as a vegan. Eating like this. So this used to be my stable food, and still makes me feel like home, you know. So my people, that's how we make ugali. So join me on my next video on how to make boga boga. Boga boga.